If you want to record samples in this and this through this, but you don't want to use this, what if I told you you could use Bluetooth to sample music into your devices? Stay tuned, we got something for you. This product is the iHome Bluetooth audio receiver. I've been using it to sample into my MPC Live 2 and my SP404 MK2. I use it with my Bluetooth speakers and any device that requires my Lightning dongle to be connected to the Lightning port on my iPhone. I'm using the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I know, I'm a couple years behind, but it still works, and if it ain't broke, you keep it. To make this work, all you need is an audio cable with 2 1/4-inch connectors on one end and a headphone connector on the other end. Not to mention that this device comes with a charging cable and a double-sided headphone adapter. Make sure your receiver is charged before you begin. It comes with a micro USB to USB charging cable. Make sure to plug this into your computer or charging block if you have one. Connect the 3.5mm headphone connector of the cable to the iHome Bluetooth audio receiver jack. Then connect the 1/4-inch connectors of your cable to the 1/4-inch ports of your groove box, whether it's a MPC, SP, whatever. Once that's done, pair the iHome Bluetooth audio receiver with your iPhone via Bluetooth. To do this, press and hold the button on the iHome Bluetooth audio receiver and it will light up with the color of blue and red. On your iPhone, access your Bluetooth list via the settings or the shortcut feature. The Bluetooth device listed should show a device named BT receiver. When they pair, you're connected. See, on the SP404, you have a choice of sampling out the 2 1/4-inch jacks in the back of the device or through the microphone jack in the front of the unit. If you are connecting the iHome Bluetooth audio receiver to the front, you can use the double-sided headphone adapter with the 1/4-inch adapter/connector. Hit the external source pad on the SP404 MK2, select the record button and one of the blinking pads. You want to select it so that you can record your sample. After finding your sample on your phone, whatever smart device you're using, press play and hit record on the SP404 again. Then you should be able to record your sample. Don't forget to hit the record button again to stop the sample. Follow these same simple procedures or instructions if you're going to use the connectors in the back of the SP404. Now with the MPC Live 2, you can use the 2 1/4-inch to 1 3.5mm headphone audio cable. Connect the audio cable to the 2 1/4-inch jacks in the back of the MPC. Double tap the mix button on the MPC to open the sampler. Turn the monitor on and select mono or stereo depending on what side of the sample you're trying to get or what sound you want. After selecting your sample, set your sample length, your BPM, arm your MPC by tapping the arm button. Then you can sample and make sure you keep the sample. There you have it. That's how you use Bluetooth to sample into your hardware devices. If this video was helpful, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. But most of all, check out this video for samples and idea generators that you can use in your productions and your beats. Go ahead. You know you want to do it. Go ahead. Yeah, you know you want to do it. Do it.